What is up, everyone? I'm back. I know you guys missed me. I haven't done a proper video in a while. I've just been a little bit hesitant on creating content because I don't know, I just wasn't sure what I was doing with my whole YouTube thing. But I noticed that over time people have been following me and stuff, and I get the comments from you guys, and I love trying to help you guys out. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything that I put out, always leave a comment and I'll get that notification. I'll get back to you and I'll try my best to answer it.
Yes!
So today I wanted to do a little quick video on how to sidechain. So sidechaining, I can go on and on about how to do it. If you want to look at the concepts, you can research it yourself. But today I'm going to show you how to sidechain in less than 1 minute. Disclaimer, this video is not supposed to be instructional, but rather just a proof of concept. If you want to see a sidechain video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make you guys one. Peace. Alright, so before I start, I'm going to play you guys a clip of what the audio sounds like without sidechain and then with sidechain, so you know what the end product is supposed to sound like. So this is without sidechain. So there's no bounce, there's no ducking, right? And this is with the sidechain. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So let's get it. Alright everyone, I'm going to try this. Timer's going to start now. Boom. Alright, so sidechain, we need a blip. Actually no, first we need a ghost channel. So we have a ghost kick. We're gonna get the ghost kick. Boom. We're gonna draw a 4x4 MIDI. So put this to 4. Notes doesn't really matter. Draw 4 notes, okay? This MIDI is just a send. So we're gonna make this a sends only. We're gonna repeat it to the end of the phrase. Alright, so now this is your ghost. Let's even label it. I think we have time to label it. Ghost. Alright, so we need a signal. Signal is like a hi-hat, a little blip. So we're gonna use this one. Cool. We are going to reduce the amount of signal on it. So, oh, here we go. Okay, and you can't hear it, right? However, now you have this signal coming in, so we're gonna go to our bass layer. The bass layer is right here. We're gonna sidechain the ghost to our new ghost. You can see that it's pumping. So now we play it, and there's some sidechain. Alright, so that was like 1 minute and 4 seconds. Holy shit. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a short demonstration, but if you learned something, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and if you want me to go explain sidechain in depth, let me know next time, and I'll see you all soon.